2,000 protesters arrested over the past few days have been taken to an old bus depot on Manhattan's west side. The now used Pier 57 temporary holding facility is stirring up some controversy of its own. Protests are being held there to spotlight conditions. Some of those being detained say they're getting sick. There are reports of cramped conditions, rashes, chemical burns, and difficulty breathing.
Please be seated. Prynhawn da, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff and to our graduation ceremony. So let's get right to it. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to the great Cardiff class of 2025. We are going to be doing that a lot. We'll be doing that an awful lot this afternoon, celebrating you and congratulating you. I'm Laura Trevelyan and I'm the Chancellor of Cardiff University. And like you, I am a proud graduate. Back in 1991, I got a postgraduate diploma in newspaper journalism. Cardiff gave me a career, a husband, good friends, and now the honour of being your Chancellor. And my hope is that Cardiff can shape your lives in all the ways that it shaped mine. And we're here to celebrate the achievements of students in Cardiff Business School. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat, and you have demonstrated dedication and commitment to get where you are today. You've all got knowledge, talent, compassion and empathy, all the qualities that you need to navigate this very complicated world. And your generation really understands the connections between business, the economy, society, and the environment in this information age, better than your elders and better than any generation before you. We know that you're going to make the ethical and responsible leadership decisions that this world needs. You're leaving Cardiff with a qualification that tells the world you're ambitious, passionate, and come from a brilliant place. So I want you to embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that this should bring. Thank you so much for everything that you students have given to Cardiff Business School and to the university, helping us to deliver value for the common good for Wales and the world. For now, though, students, your job is to sit back and enjoy this ceremony and wait for that moment when you cross the stage. For friends and family, I know how proud you are. So please, when it's your loved one up here, raise the roof. Make as much noise as you possibly can. We want the world to hear how proud you are. Do not hold back. I now have the great pleasure of introducing Catherine Edith Parry, Catherine will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. This poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Catherine.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Feiddio, gwellhad y wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in its mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive, admits the joy of institutes as the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'u hysgol heictod wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn ac wrth wneud hynny fe atgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve for the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Prynhawn da, I'm Madison, your Students' Union President. Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day which you will all remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the daunting but very exciting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Peru, making new friends and perhaps living independently for the first time. None of these are easy feats, so for that, I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university. You may be a carer or have dependents and have had to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled with something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you've achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences that you've all shared together in the seminar room, a society, or a sports club. The opportunities that you have embraced and relationships that you have built. They have made you into the graduate and person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that has brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees you hold, but the friendships that you have made, the lessons that you have learned, and the growth that you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, But as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience that you have developed and the memories that you have cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, class of 2025.
Wel, prynawn da iawn I chi gyd. Croeso cynnes I chi. A very good afternoon to you all. Fy enw I yw'r Athro Damien Walford-Davies. My name is Professor Damien Walford-Davies, and I'm Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor at Cardiff University. And my job today is very, very simple and also joyful and joyous. It is to warmly welcome all students to receive their degrees. That is obviously, as you know from Professor Halik's introduction earlier today, part of the ceremony where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university, and students process across the stage. And here's the emphasis, each one experiencing their own moment, that unique moment for each of them of achievement and indeed theatre. And so, precisely because of that emphasis on that unique experience for each one, please, as Laura says, do celebrate the achievement of our students as they cross the stage. Now, I know that Laura said that she wants you to make some noise, but I want to have a quick chat with you about noise. I like it. And you can clap, you can holler, you can stomp, you can emit noises not heard since the Jurassic period. Just make it. And I know you'll keep it classy as well. So, once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, a little bit of magic starts to happen. I will ask them to stand, and then it's our tradition for me to speak in what is my first language, Welsh, to receive each group of students to their respective awards. Now, technically, some of you, as I am, may be anoraks and may know this as far as the governance of degrees are concerned. Your degrees have already been achieved as part of the examination board's deliberations and conclusions and the sign-off by the Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Education and Student Experience. However, the conferring of the award, which is what we're here to do today, is a slightly different, clearly ceremonial, but utterly magical thing to experience. So what we're doing is conferring that degree communally, ceremonially. So that's the moment we're all pitched towards. And the Welsh phrase or formula that I will use at that moment, when translated, runs as follows. Through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your awards with all the privileges that this confers. Congratulations. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. And then the magic word, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. So listen out for that word, llongyfarchiadau. I'll shepherd you through it. It'll be very easy. I now introduce my colleague, Professor Tim Edwards, head of the Cardiff Business School, who will present the students for their awards. Tim.
I, Professor Tim Edwards, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Economic and Social Studies. Seyu Hua. Ali Abdel Molem. Mariam Damiola Adeshina. Aizaz Ahmed. Ali Abiloshi. Yasmin Anjam. Victor Anahu. Matthew Arnold. Joseph Ben Ailing. Alicia Azali Aminuddin. Joseph Max Bailey. Unnati Bajpai. Joseph Basarab. Thomas James Bate. Benjamin Borden. Samuel Byrne. Andrew Michael Bezina. Zoe Christine Bigland. Tommy Booth. Emily Bowen. Ethan Rees Buckley. Anis Bouzini. Maximilian Caldicott. Roman Carpenter. Samuel George Carter. Kashish Shandarai. Sin Yi Shun. Sin Ye Shun. Ying Yang Shun. Tiffany Rose Church. Henry Clark. Joseph Clark. George Clements. Joseph Comerford. Archie James Molyneux Cooper. Bethan Louise Cooper. George Nicholas Council. Robbie Crane. Fabio Jose de Costa Treleven. Shibanu Duskier. Rhys Davies. Isabel Florence Day. Oliver James Dobson. Tanisha Amit Doshi. Maxim Alexander Dusek. Shriyashi Dutta. Daniel John Edwards. Oliver Peter Edwards. Sorry, Nathan Peter Evans. Now Oliver Peter Edwards. Haris Fazai. Jaisal Hitesh Fakira. Ewan Michael Falcon. Henry Michael Funnell. Mia Ann Faulkner. Enrico Fiori. Abigail Forrester. Matthew Liam Franklin. Samuel Finesse Brody. Daniel James Gollings. Joshua James Goldsbury Taylor. Manly Gong. Olivia Gruszewska. Eason Devon Gunaraja. Fazil Habib. Jake Cameron Harris. Montgomery Harrowell. Arsiad Abdullah Ahmed Mahdi Abdullah Hashem. Aled Geraint Harvard. Jordan David Hills. Andre Holmes. Thank you. Samuel Michael Holwell. James Daniel Haller. Tayyaba Iftikhar. Matthew Adam Hoy. Finley Evan Humphreys, Mohammed Usman Iqbal, Angus George Jackson, Henry Rhys James, Rhys Thomas James, Egenhard Ingpulu Hamrapat Jawina, Pavitra Jayakumaran, Nina Victoria Erna Johnson, Ellen Rees Jones, Abdul Rehman Khan, Ismail Nazir Khan, George Thomas Elliott Lee, Grace Honey Leaney, Holly Christina Lewis, William Ian Liddell, Honor Margaret Liddington, Ben Lucking, Kieran William Magill, Sachi Mahabale, Lynn Top Mann, Lottie Rose Marshall, Dario Antonio Mavilla, Oliver Mead, Rochella Grace Milano, Bethany Lynn Millman, Anna Carmela Mitchell, Edward Patrick Mobbs, Abdullah Al-Muhi, Joel Rees Murphy, Aileen Michaela Navarro Fubla, Sarah Noor, Callum James Robin Nye, Amelia Olexi, Amidola Oliwashi Oshin, Joel Oyusi, Murat Sidar Ozkan, Ethan James Parker, Katie Tallulah Dawn Parrott, George Partridge, would you know that? Angela Pasnari, Monet Jaden Patel, Yani Daxa Amul Patel, Thomas Hardy Pete, Jonathan Anthony Roy Peters, Luca Giovanni Sergio Ponzini, Oliver George Prescott, Mario Robert Patel, Jack Jordan Ramsey, Hugo Lawrence Rawlingson, Edward Thomas Quentrell Roda, Ana Belen Romero Gutierrez, Asha Page Rutherford, Evan Saju Varghese, Sophie Rees Samways, Tarandeep Singh Sadhu, Orla Louise Santos, Flo Susie Scobie, Henry Scrimshaw Wright, Kush Shah, Bushhamik Sharma, Patrick Ray Sharp. Siddhant Harshit Simply. Ella Singh. Jacob Morgan Singh. Jacob Louis Huddleston Smith. Oliver Zach Smith. Kajol Kaur Sahal. Alex James Stinchcombe. Jacob Stokes. Oliver Anthony Stringer. Alanya Sumar. Paige Tancock Broad. Benjamin Thatcher. Dion Morgan Thomas. Hannah Rose Thomas. George Blythe Thompson. Ellis Todd. Thank you. Matthew Jonathan Towndrow. Nathan John Trend. Jack Michael Andrew Tucker. Reese Turner. Millie Isabel Tyler. Fergus van der Fleur. Janani Vijendran. James Viner. Emma Walton. Thomas James Warner. Shamil Furushin. Joel Alexander Watts. Theodore Edward Wedge. Alana Anne-Louise Williams. Georgia Amy Williams. Henry Jack Williams. Johan Ap David Williams. Zach Williams. Polly Woodward. Madeline Elizabeth Wright. Jodie Wyatt. Maximilian Wise. Hao Chun Shu. Bi Chi Ye. Andrea Zakharov.
Sarasitha Limkiang studied a bachelor's degree in economic and social studies and was due to complete those studies in June 2025. Sarasitha was a committed and dedicated student. His academic record was outstanding. He achieved a first-class average in his first year and continued to earn first-class grades throughout his second year. These absolutely exceptional accomplishments are remarkable for any student, but especially so given that they were achieved in a language that was not Sarasitha's first. And his dedication to his studies was exemplary in all respects. He was utterly committed, attended all his classes, and often stayed behind to engage in further discussion and exploration with his lecturers. He was also, importantly, a wonderful friend and classmate, respected and valued by his peers, as shown, for example, by the maximum scores he received from fellow group members during a second-year group project. Put simply, he relished academic life and approached his studies with a diligence that I think is the very definition of passion. His family, who are here with us today, can be justly proud of all he has achieved. Tragically, Sarasida did not get the chance to complete his academic studies with us. However, today, it is right that we wish to recognize and commemorate and celebrate with joy, as well as sad reflection, of course, his significant achievements during his time with Cardiff Business School and with Cardiff University. Today, therefore, this university is proud, very proud, to offer Sarasida Linkeang a thoroughly deserved posthumous degree award. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.
I, Professor Tim Edwards, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Naeem Abdul Wahid. Liniola Damiola Adenenshi. Amir Ahmed. Omay Ahmed. Yusuf Olyusha Balagon Exito Ajibade. Musna Kamis Juma Al-Balushi. Asoud Mohammed Ahmed Al-Gharibi. Riruf Naraf Abdallah. Mohammed Hamdan Zahir Mushin Al-Gharafi. Sultan Mohammed Hilal Haraji. Alexa Kate Ali. Asot Mahood Saeed Al-Karousi. Isabella Louisa Allen. Al-Mutaz Saeed Rashid Al-Mushali. Al-Jora Mohammed Alayan. Gaiden Ali Al-Sharani. Inud Youssef Al-Sharadida. Najud. Thank you. Tawheed Ahmed Amir. Luke James Andrews. Dev Aurora. Nadine Baird. Nathan Baker. Harry William Baker. Valentina Teresa Bancroft. Isha Banerjee. David Aaron Barlow. Zoe Ann Barrett. Charles William Basson. Jake Edward Leyland Bayliss. Jake Bainham. Lucy Claire Bean. Will Thomas Beanie. Emma Francis Bennett. Samuel John Beniba Plummer. Shahin Ahmed Binshamin. Shajideh Binti Judin. Joseph James Blackburn. Oliver Blake. Pascal Boulet. William Brookshaw. Samuel James Broomhead. Finley Tony Brown. Matthew Ball. Victoria Mobile. Harry Ellis Morgan Birmingham. Morgan Jack Barrett. Burhan Ahmed Butt. Pedro Marquez Estorga, Cardiff. Hugo George Caldicott. Amna Baluch. Lily Grace Casey. Rianne Jane Chilocci. Pik Yu Chung. Darcy Isabella Himmel. Rai Shu Shu. Iloka Sabina Chukwuma. Francesco Chinotti. Martina Chulek. Isabella Amber Cleveland Allen. Sarah May Collins. Elliot Greg Cook. Megan Cornish. Maria Olivia Crawford Brunt. Adam John Wall Crees. Millie May Crocker. Ethan Cross. Lowry Crossman. Pierce Cummins. Thomas Dark. Samyukta Dasarathi. Benjamin Davies. Christina Davies. David Wynne Davies. Mena Caris May Davies. Tyra Amber Davies. Alexandra Kate Davison. George DeCunha. Charles Joseph Dizon D. Guzman. Rory Edward David Deacon. Charlotte Hannah Derry. Joshua William Dickinson. Aditya Dillip. Amelia Dimmick. Milan Dogra. Charmaine Donovan. Hamish Campbell Dow. Brenna Lee Doyle. Sophia Mia Dye. Sarah Louise Hope Dyke. Jack William Dyson. Fred Easter. Mia Kate Eastman. Nathan Eccles. Callum Edwards Evans. Faid El Marzari. Adam El Giathi. Indira Adani Elisha. Molly Elizabeth Elliott. Yestin Ellison. Ellen Jo Evans. Emily Elizabeth Facey. Henry Thomas Fagan. Caitlin Fallon. Daniel James Fennell. Saskia Ferrier Riddle. Marley Ford. Harris Anwin Fox. Jasmine Tallulah Fraser. Jessica Kate Freeman. William John Edward Friend. Grace Eleanor Fry. Huang Wei Gao. Sonkashi Garg. Neya Guman. Emma Jessica Gibbons. Gina Sophia Gillam. Emily Gittins. Daisy Rebecca Gladding. Olivia Ann Glave. Luna Marie Glogler. Tilly Amaya Goodman. Sophia Gott. Griffith Thomas Grealish. Hannah Jane Griffiths. Daniel Francis Grove. Bryony Francis Gubbins. Mahik Gupta. Rohan Gupta. Benedict John Hallam. Aaron Spencer Ham. Patira Humeri Binti Hamdani. Shah Gerhan. Edward Benjamin Philip Hanbury. Samuel Oscar George Hancock. Rebecca Ellie Harries. Amy Alethea Hawthorne. Antonia Claire Heath. Amelia Hemmings. Abigail Sarah Beatrice Hewson. Tristan Frederick Hills. Jade Marie Annick Felisa Himdi. Giles Michael Joseph Hocking. William Max Durant Hodgson. Nathaniel James Holland Wright. Alexander Luke Holloway. Akar Lin Lin Tun. Harry David Huggett. Hannah Elizabeth Hutton. Troy Matthew Heiser. Mohammed Ibrahim. Yusuf Shabazz Ilahi. Lewis Llewellyn Jenkins. Mia Grace Ingram. Safal Islam. Amanjali Jayesh Jagdal. Arush Jamadar. David Ellis James. Abdullah Javed. Teddy Mark Jenkins. Lunan Zhang. Mackenzie Lewis John. Kai Roon Jones. Dylan Gavin Jones. Elliot Richard Jones. Fionn Holly Jones. Katie Marie Jones. Samuel Andrew Gibbs Jones. William Dafford Jones. Sophia Naina Kaur. Abisolia Rinanat Kazim. Oliver Johns. Bridie Kewen. Kin Pat Wood Yi Hang. Azim Khan. Mohammed Sheria Asim Khan. Yumna Khan. That was you. Have I gone one ahead?
No, they're just gathering.
Okay. Yumna Khan. Treeman Singh Karuna. Evelyn Kladav Tira. Daniel John Close. Stuart Douglas Knight. Blanca Kolazavari. Sophia Sundari Kaur Lally. Olivia Helena Lament. Freya Louise Large. Sam Brigland MacDonald Lawson. Se Ying Lung. David Oliver Yuxing Lu Hinghua. Finley John Edward Lewis. Georgie Yasmin Charlotte Lewis. Shane Kai Hearn Lim. Cho Chao Lin. Jia Chung Lil. Molly May Lukasvich. Ethan Jeffrey Macy. Bethany Grace Mackenzie. Ivy Bluebell Maddock Jones. Benjamin Michael Cameron Maley. Gabriella Charlotte Malone. Zoe Elizabeth Mansell. Chun Chun Mao. Charles Robert Marsh. Jessica Molly Marsh. Alexander Stewart Martin. Amelia May Eleanor Martin. Ryan Paul Charles Martin. Thank you. Sam Martin. Isha Matthew. Ellen Margaret May. Rosie May McDowell. Mark Stewart McLean. Sophia McLaughlin. Ravi Hidden Mehta. Theo Meller. Evan Miles. Iona Milikuru. Daniel Patrick Miller. Rory John Miller. William Michael James Moffat Perez. Iman Mohammed Mohamed. George Egerton Monks. Thomas Edward Monks. Leo Morgan. Samuel William David Morgan. Got a card? Cheyenne Murad. Buchengi Daisy Muringi. Lamiz Akbar Mustafa, Tulin Nasser, Erinush Navyezhnianik, Kenny Nudu, Yu Ching Ung, Eleanor Clay Nye, Millie May Ogilvie, Ferdinand Sean O'Hara Bailey, Yanis Marino Onisafuru, Bethan Sheila Palmer, Naomi Rebecca Panacho, Megan Lauren Pardew, Toby Robbie Freddie Parker, Sam Perry, Joseph James Partridge, Ninad Niranya Patil, Rhys John Pearson, Yasmin Perrott, Thomas George Peters, Fionn Angela Pettigrew, Anita Elizabeth Phillips, Gwion Reese Phillips, getting slow, Max Wilson Phillips, Kia Podmore, Bethan Price, Sajika Pushpakaran, Shelley Taylor Quick, Mustabashira Kerushi, Joshua Ratcliffe, Samuel Reed, James Redwood, Alicia Rose Rees, Jia Shu Hyun, Emma Jane Renton, Lauren Jessie Richmond, Alexander James Ricketts, Madison Grace Ridley, Harry Rees Roberts, Hannah Harris Robertson, Benjamin Michael Robinson, Daniel Mark Robinson, Harvey John Robinson, Melissa Sidney Rodenberg, Alexander Roda, Daniel Rodriguez, James Rossi, Jash Ragani, Omar Seda, Iqbal Sariikaya, Robin Henry Sarker, Ruben Scaglione, Nilly May Scott, Samuel Charles Seeley, Johan Sexton, Siam Shah, Sahad Isam Mohammed, Mohammed Muhammil Shabazz Sharif, Mahima Sharma, Sam Shern, Yipshi Wei, Louis Marlborough Rochefort Sugar, Scott Ho Yin Xiu, Hazel Siggs. Henry William Simmons. Shawari Dripta Suka. Sorry about that. Rhiannon Barbara Slade Jones. Cameron Henry Smith. Sarah Magdalena Stefanov. Jessica Sarah Studart. Chichi Shu. Thet Hanin Su. Aryan Sheresh. Samuel Harvey Swingwood. Scarlett Imani Shalada Don. Su Lin Tai. Wei Ting Tyne. Ruben Lysander David Thomas. Sinead Megan Half Thomas. Catherine Elizabeth Thompson. George Tucker. Rory Toomey. Amy Turnbull. Daniel Luke Turner. Paige Twin. Kimi Uckerman. Harriet Rose Ulott. Tanisha Vadgama. Avani Kaur Vagri. Abigail Jessica Van Laar. Muskan Verma. Lauren Samantha Vickery. Matthew Kurt von Scherding. Elizabeth Irene Wainwright. Alexander Jake Wakely. Enli Wong. Si Lin Wong. Eloise Scarlett Ward. Anna Elizabeth Wardle. Henry James Warren. Henry Retherill. Alexander William Webb. Ming Jie Wei. Keris Abbey Wellbeloved. Lewis James Gordon Wellington. Jenna May Wells. Benjamin Alexander Welsh. Joshua Frank Wild. Evie Rose Williams. Jack Williams. Jacob Williams. Ria Ellen Williams. Daniel Thomas Wilson. Holly Grace Wilson. Oliver Walter Wood. Emily Charlotte Wright. Yan Daffyd Wright. Jia Wu. Ling Zhe Yu. Sorry. Thomas Colin Young. Scarlett Ayese Youngsmith. Farah Udarman Abrahim Yusuf. Jisha Zakaria. Mohammed Usman Zahid. Nikolaos Zamfitoglu. Shung Chi Zhou. Ethan Baker. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
While students return to their seats, rows 1, 2, 4, 9 here are clearly professionals and should commercialize your activity. Out of control, in a good way. Was that a Ronaldo celebration we saw in the middle? Wow. There we are. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Maruk Hussain. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. William Adams. Iman Adawi. James Burgess. Lewis John Countard. Kanil Dayas. Yuru Ding. Dina Althea de Souza. Indumini Hakmange. Ajay Jakula. Daniel Robert Jones. Libo. Li Hushuan. Darmin Lunugaria. Jacob Sebastian McKay. Morgan Luke McCarthy. Srinivas Muralidhar Iyengar. Joseph Owen Knott. Tobias Osborne. Saksham Singh. Aniket Mishra. Minasi Parab. Prakyat Rai. Alid Roberts. Delia Rodriguez. Sarbajit Kaur Jarnali Singh Saini. Shoaib Raju Sheikh. Hepzibah Sharon. Sun Hanlin. Mohammed Faizan Wajid. Ethan Wilson. Tony Shu. Yang Lan. Joshua Young. Katie Ju. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau.
Prynawn da pawb. Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Elin Lloyd-Jones, and I am the Head of Business Engagement and Partnerships at Cardiff University. We come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, to Wales, and the world. Today, we recognised Kelly Byrne and Rachel Arthur with the Award of Honorary Fellowship. Their success is part of your day's success. Dyma gyfle I nodi ein hedmygedd, ein balchder a'n diolch wrth gyflwyno cymrodoriaethau a graddau anrhydedd. Kelly Byrne is Chief Executive of the Cardiff Capital Region, a public body established with the sole aim of growing the South East Wales economy in an inclusive and sustainable way. Kelly is a proud product of the region. She attended Hartridge Comprehensive School in Newport, from where she hails, and Cardiff University from 1994 to 1997, and again in 2001 to 2003, where she earned a Bachelor of Arts degree and a Masters of Science. Prior to becoming CEO of Cardiff Capital Region, Kelly was Deputy Chief Executive of Monmouthshire County Council, where she earned a reputation for innovation in public services. Kelly has worked tirelessly on what she describes as an agenda of civic regarding entrepreneurship, something she views as a vital ingredient for regional public investment. Kelly believes that innovation is for everyone and applies across all sectors and contexts and has the potential to change life chances. Kelly spends a lot of her time supporting the innovation community in Wales and helping to grow the ecosystem. Kelly has a deep-rooted commitment to Cardiff University, and Cardiff Capital Region is a very key and supportive partner to the university in its plans for the future. Rachel Arthur is a sustainability strategist and writer who has dedicated her career to transforming the fashion industry. Rachel started her career as a business journalist after studying postgraduate journalism at Cardiff University. As the advocacy lead for sustainable fashion at the UN Environment Programme, today she focuses on reducing overconsumption and accelerating the circular economy. She's known for challenging industry norms, such as her role exploring alternative growth models for the NGO Textile Exchange, and for developing new initiatives and solutions, exemplified in her work leading the industry strategy for Google's environmental data platform, which used geospatial data to analyse the impact of different raw materials as they travel around the world. With roots as an award-winning business journalist, she's also a TED speaker and was recently recognised as a sustainability thought leader in the Vogue Business 100 Innovator list. I will now present these distinguished individuals who are about to be awarded an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University. Anrhydeddus Prys Ganghellawr, cyflwynaf I chi y rhai sydd wedi derbyn yn gymrodyr anrhydedd Prifysgol Cymru, Prifysgol Caerdydd. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Kelly Byrne and Rachel Arthur to be accepted as Honorary Fellows of Cardiff University.
Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gyda cyngor, derbyniaf chi fel cymrodyr anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Llongyfarchiadau. Rachel.
Well, thank you very much, Diolch yn fawr iawn. It's an absolute pleasure to be here this afternoon, and such huge and warm congratulations to you all. Class of 2025, you sure have some style. I loved it. It was amazing to see it. I'm humbled to be here today to accept an honorary fellowship from my alma mater, from Cardiff University. And I consider myself so fortunate that in my day-to-day life, in my job as Chief Executive of Cardiff Capital Region, I get to work so closely with the institution. Having first graduated back in 1997, I know I don't look that old, but believe me, I am. So Cardiff University has been a constant, reassuring presence in my life, and I'm so proud to be associated with the university in the way that I am. For me as well, to receive this award today at the Cardiff Business School ceremony is particularly important, particularly special, because in my role we share a common goal for good growth, not just any type of growth, but good growth, because together we're trying to build a sustainable and resilient economy. And I'm just so thrilled to be here today to join in such a joyous celebration and to see the array of talent and potential on display. And I also know that the focus that Cardiff Business School puts on living and breathing social and public value will really help you navigate the changes and challenges that I think continue to characterize the 2020s and of course beyond. So in my experience, there is no institution, there is no better business school, and I work with lots up and down the UK, that I think is as relevant to the mission that we have as Cardiff Business School. So tribute to all of my colleagues who I think do a fantastic job. So it probably wasn't written in the stars that I should be here today. I'm somewhat probably what lots of people have called along the way, a gobby, spirited Newport girl, and damn right. Growing up, the environment that I'm from, the school I went to, was really challenging. It was in quite a deprived community, a community you might describe as having been left behind. And it was tough, you know, sometimes I think it was unforgivingly tough. But what I learned very early on, one of the first lessons I learned about business and entrepreneurship was that enterprise can exist in the most unusual of circumstances and places. Survivorship often inspires a spirit of enterprise, and some of the best examples I've seen of entrepreneurship are on the streets in communities. And I think that serves as a real reminder that we must never overlook certain individuals, and entrepreneurship really does exist in the most diverse of places. So this really taught me that whatever your background is, whatever your story is, and my advice to you today, if I can be so humble as to offer it, is to use your voice. To use your voice to advocate for you and to advocate for others. There's been loads of times in my career, I feel it a little bit today to be honest, where I've experienced self-doubt, particularly in my early career, the imposter. I think perhaps some of us feel that sometimes. There were many, many times when I've been sat in a group environment and I didn't speak up because I thought perhaps my accent wasn't posh enough. I can't tell you how many jobs I haven't gone for because I've looked at job descriptions and I've just seen the things that I felt I couldn't do rather than focus on the things that I could. And every time I didn't speak or act, I failed by omission, the most serious kind of failure in my view. And I think that old adage is so true, isn't it? You miss 100% of the shots you never take. So use your voice and always lead beyond your authority. Always lead beyond your authority. So finally, to sum up, as every great entrepreneur knows, the secret to a good pitch, I think, is a strong finish. Yeah, a strong finish. So here is mine. The Cardiff Capital Region is an awe-inspiring place. We've got a population of over 1.6 million. We're over half of Wales's total economic output. We are the fastest growing region in the whole of the UK in terms of our economic potential. From fintech to a brand new investment zone to some of the work we're doing around the booming creative industries, producing the chips that you carry around with you in your smartphones, spinning out medtech companies and creating new domestic energy capability is happening here. So please don't go off to London or Bristol to get your jobs or start your businesses. Stay here and please create them, contribute here, because we've got so much more scope and potential than some of those other places. Unleash your talent in the stunning environments that we have, the incredibly close and supportive communities. We've got unique proximity to decision makers in Wales and a scale that means we're small enough to be nimble, but big enough really to be impactful. So please do stay. If you want to chat afterwards, I'm always available. But when it comes to making a difference, the best advice I can offer is don't hang back and wait for others or think somebody else is going to act or deal with an issue or challenge. We are always the people we are looking for. We are always the people we are looking for. So best of luck to you. My thanks to my family, to Cardiff University, and to Gobby Newport girls everywhere. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and congratulations to you all. What a fantastic show that was to see you all just then. It is a real joy and honestly very, very surreal to be back at Cardiff. Just before I was here as a postgrad journalism student, I wrote my first article about sustainability. I didn't know then that it would spark something I'd never quite be able to let go of. I certainly didn't imagine that nearly 20 years later, it would become the only thing I'd spend my days working on and trying to influence, or that it would be really quite so necessary. We are living in incredibly uncertain times. There's a lot we can't control, and that's a very hard thing to sit with. Whether it's climate, inequality, conflict, or beyond, things can feel very overwhelming and often so much bigger than us. But choosing to contribute to change is the one thing we can control, and that is a huge power. So as you begin to carve your own path, the question I'd like to pose to you today is what kind of future do you want to live in, and how can you help bring it about? The job titles you hold may never say sustainability in them, but whatever happens, you're going to find yourself working in a world that is shaped by the climate crisis and by climate injustice. So how will you use your time? Whether you're in business, finance, science, media, design, you name it, every role today needs to contribute. If there's one thing I've learned through my work in sustainable fashion, with industry leaders and global policymakers through the United Nations Environment Programme, it's that change will only come from everyone playing a part. And that while the technical, political, and economic aspects of this shift are vital, so too are the cultural and the creative ones. I am hopeful that I am looking out today at a sea of future change makers. We need you. So thank you to this university for this honour. And if I can leave you with one last thing, and there's some great synergy in what's already been said today, it's this. No matter what, Never underestimate the power of your voice. Find it and use it. It's a tool you all have, and it can make a huge difference. Thank you.
Thank you so much to Kelly and to Rachel. And isn't it so interesting that both of these distinguished Cardiff alumni in their different ways urged you to use your voices. So I think that's undoubtedly fantastic advice. It's my great honour to deliver the closing remarks. And so once again, Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations, but you're now part of the university alumni community. Woo! You've all undergone a transformation in the last 90 minutes. You've gone from being graduates to members of the Cymuned Cynfeirwyr Prifysgol Cardiff, our alumni community. And I know that for many of you, that will be tinged with sadness, the idea that you're leaving Cardiff now and your dear friends. And there's a Welsh word, hiraeth, which is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, a sense of love, of longing, of memories. And we hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University and stay in touch with us and with each other. So with that in mind, as your Chancellor, I would like to invite you to create a new tradition with us. In July of 2026, we're going to hold the first ever big reunion weekend to celebrate the first anniversary of your graduation. And we want to help you build a social and professional network that will go with you through your lives. As the parent of children who grew up in America and went to American schools and universities, I've seen the way that American colleges nurture a sense of school spirit and foster alumni relations. And I know that we can do it better than the Americans because Cardiff is the best city in the world. So please come back next year for your reunion. And come back for the milestone anniversaries of your graduation. Come back here for your 5th anniversary in 2030, for your 10th anniversary, and so on and so forth. And I hope the great class of 2025 will be back here in Cardiff in 2075 for the big reunion weekend, celebrating 50 years since this day. I'll be long gone, but I can't wait to hear from up there what you will have achieved by then. So please, nominate captains from this great class of 2025, or captains in English, people who will help us organise the first big reunion weekend in July of 2026. Before we close the ceremony, there is a final and most excellent Cardiff University tradition to uphold. While today is all about you, grads, and your achievement, I think you'd be the first to acknowledge that you didn't do it by yourself. Mum, Dad, siblings, friends, lecturers, loved ones helped to get you to this point. So please, can I ask the new graduates to stand if you're able? Everyone in the arena made a lot of noise for you. I think you heard that when you were crossing the stage. Now it's your turn to make even more noise and say thank you, diolch yn fawr, to your loved ones. Let's hear it, great class of 2025. Louder! Nice work. Please be seated. To close our celebrations, here is a short film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy. And at the end, please stand as the platform party leaves and the ceremony draws to a close. Thank you for joining us today, friends and family, and once again, Llongyfarchiadau to the great Cardiff class of 2025. Diolch yn fawr iawn and Pablo.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved. and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate.
Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news that absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way.
But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations.
Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
Hey, hey, hey.